It's February 2nd today, which means we are just 12 days away from one of the most popular times of the year for print on demand. If you sell on Amazon, you have 10 good days left before it's too late. And if you sell on Etsy, you have around 5 days left before it's too late. So now is the time to push. This video is going to be your complete guide to making successful designs this Valentine's Day. I'm hoping 99% of you have already started creating your designs for Valentine's Day. As we can see here, 7 of the most popular designs on Amazon are Valentine related. If you feel you are too late, well, you're probably right. But there's no reason why we can't try and get some extra sales at the finish line. For future references, you want to try and give yourself at least 6 weeks to take full advantage of a popular day like this. I know, I should have brought this video out quite a few weeks ago, and that's on me. Life got in the way and unfortunately I wasn't able to make this video, but it's here now. Let's start with the types of products. We have classic t-shirts and hoodies. Hoodies will be very popular at the moment because it's the winter, and if you market them as lounging around the house hoodies, it could do very well. You could generate quite a good amount of buzz for this, especially considering that everyone's heating bill is going through the roof. The next type of product is jewelry. This might sound like quite a weird product. Jewelry, print on demand. But actually quite a lot of print on demand companies are offering this product. The company that stands out the most to me is Awkward Styles. I've reviewed them in the past and I really like their stuff. This company is based in the US. So if you want to get the product to your customers as soon as possible, I would focus on the US market. Printify have a small collection of Valentine's products as well. Personalization is a big one for Valentine's Day. And not just Valentine's Day, but just in general with print on demand. However, it's especially big at Valentine's Day. People are willing to spend far more money if there is just a little bit of personalization with their products. So make sure to offer personalization with t-shirts, hoodies and jewelry, and anything that can have a name or an initial or a note of some sort. Now let's discuss platforms to sell on. Because of the short time frame to Valentine's Day, the most ideal platform to sell on would be merch by Amazon, but that comes with 3 potential issues. 1, not everyone has access to Amazon merch. 2, Amazon don't have the largest range of products. And 3, personalization is quite a hard one to do. If you have access, then upload as many designs as you can. And to counter that personalization issue, what you could do is just Google the top names, the most popular names in the world, and make designs around those names. However, this is an annoying one if you have a small upload limit. The next platform is Etsy, and with Etsy, you can connect many printing partners. This way, you can have the largest range of products selling in the most amount of countries. Now, the biggest issue with Etsy is it can be quite annoying and also quite confusing, but once you get your first sale or your first few sales and your products start ranking, you'll see sales start coming in and it's actually very lucrative. Etsy also allow customization, which is very cool. Now, in terms of what printing partners to use, well, there's a few. Now, obviously Amazon is its own printing partner, but when using Etsy, I'd recommend using Printful, Gelato, Printify, and Awkward Styles. This will give you the largest range of products across most countries with really fast shipping. Gelato have the fastest shipping outside of Amazon, so using them is a must. Awkward Styles have those cool jewelry products, so using them is also a no-brainer. And Printful have the largest range of products in general, so just using them to kind of populate your store with various products is useful. Printify have a small range of Valentine's Day products with pretty fast shipping as well, so adding them can't hurt. After all is said and done, you could easily have over 100 different products for Valentine's Day ready to start selling in the next few days. The next 2 things we need to go over is the keywords and the marketing. In terms of keywords, we can see by using the Pretty Much research tool, these are the most popular keywords for Amazon. The Amazon search suggestions is really clever because this is what people are likely to be putting into the Amazon search bar. Listing keywords is also useful, as this will help us actually create our listings. Even though these keywords are based around Amazon, you can very much use them for Etsy and other platforms, and they can still do well. I'd recommend going onto Etsy and seeing what keywords the competition are using too. It's important to see what you're up against. There's also the Google Keyword Planner tool. If we put in Valentine's gift, Valentine's t-shirt, Valentine's Day, we can see all the suggestions it gives and their monthly search volumes. Now, when it comes to marketing, I'm usually a huge advocate for the organic social media strategy. However, as Valentine's Day is fast approaching and we don't really have much time, I'm going to suggest paid ads as the best possible option specifically for this. You have Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Google when it comes to paid ads. And honestly, these platforms can be an absolute minefield to navigate. Your best bet would be focusing on sponsored posts on Instagram and TikTok with small daily budgets. This would be the most simple approach to increase your reach and increase your sales. I have many more videos about marketing, and if you want to get the most out of your print-on-demand business and get as many sales as possible, you've got to watch this video next where I go over marketing, well, different forms of marketing, step by step. So check that video out next.